Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to learn sonnet. So there are two types of sonnet. First is Shakespearean sonnet. It is also called English sonnet. Another is Petrarch sonnet and it is also called Italian sonnet. First of all, we will discuss with Shakespearean sonnet. So Shakespearean sonnet has 14 lines. So it has 14 lines and it is divided in 3 stanza and 1 couplet. So it has 3 stanza and 1 couplet. So each stanza has 4 lines. So first stanza has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second stanza also 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and third stanza also has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and couplet has 2 lines. So it is all 14 lines. So it has its own rhyme scheme, and it is A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, and G G. So it is all about Shakespearean sonnet, and the best example of Shakespearean sonnet has a sonnet number 130 and let me not to marriage of true minds. It is the example of Shakespearean sonnet. So we will again discuss the Shakespearean sonnet. Shakespearean sonnet has the 14 lines and it is divided in 3 stanzas and 1 couplet. Each stanza has 4 lines and couplet has 2 lines. The rhyme scheme is A B A B C D C D E F E F G G. And the best example is sonnet 130 and let me not to marriage of true mind. Now we will discuss of Petrarch sonnet, and it is also called as Italian sonnet. So the poet Petrarch has invented this sonnet, so it is called as Petrarch sonnet. So in this sonnet also have 14 lines and this lines divided in 2 parts. First part is octave and another part is sestet. So in octave there is 8 lines and in sestet there is 6 lines. So in octave the poet raised some questions and doubt which is in his mind, and in sestet the poet himself give the answers of the questions and the doubt which he raised in octave. So in octave the rhyme scheme is A double B A double B A, and in sestet rhyme scheme is C D C C D C. This is the rhyme scheme of the sestet, and the best example of the Petrarch sonnet is John Milton's On His Blindness. On His Blindness is the best example of Petrarch sonnet. So what we learn? We learn the sonnet. In sonnet we have learned about the Shakespearean sonnet and Petrarch sonnet. In Petrarch sonnet is the same 14 lines, but it is divided in 2 parts, octave and sestet. Octave has own line, octave has 8 lines, and in octave poet raised some questions and doubt, and in sestet there are 6 lines, and the poet himself give the answers and which he raised in octave, and he also clears all the doubt. Rhyme scheme A double B A double B A in octave and in sustain CDC is the best example of the Petrarchan sonnet is John Milton's on his blind. So it is all about sonnet. Hope you understand this. Thank you.